Hey guys, welcome back to a new daily vlog. I figured I'd start off the vlog here. I'm about to head off to my first F45 workout with my friend Ella. It's actually a Spiritual Gangster and Aloha, like Aloha, the protein bar brand event. So it's like a free workout class for us, which I'm super excited about. And I think we might grab food after. I just put on like a little set from Alo Yoga and I'm about to head out the door. It's actually like super close to me. It's literally like 6 minutes away from me, but Ella is stuck in traffic right now, so I actually might hold off for a bit and like drink a coffee. But I'm so excited. It's like 5 p.m. right now and I'm really excited. I've been like wanting to try F45 just as like a once in a while type of thing. I don't think I could do it all the time, but I also don't know. I've never been, but I've heard it's pretty intense, so I'm like excited to give it a try. And yeah, I've had like a really chill day. Just like went to acupuncture, Trader Joe's, got some work done on my computer, like hung out with the dog all day and didn't really do much all day. So I'm like excited to get my body moving a little bit, but I am kind of nervous. But we'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know.
We're just out here living our best life.
That was quite literally one of the hardest workouts.
I actually died.
Ella, I thought we were gonna lose her. Like, honestly though, we completed it to completion. Like, no, she didn't like stop or anything. We popped off. We really killed it. But afterwards, Miss Girl, I thought she was gonna vomit
and pass out.
Yeah,
pass out.
But here we are, hydrated, drinking.
Just how we do best. Just what we do best.
Hey guys, what's up? It is the next day. I'm just about to head out to my nail appointment. I think I'm gonna walk. It's super hot outside, but I feel like, why not? I have enough time. So it's 11 o'clock, my appointment's not till 12. So I'm going to head out. I'm just wearing like an all black outfit again today. My nails are like atrocious. Like you can't even tell because it's nude, but they're peeling off so bad. So I'm gonna grab a little juice. I actually got a juice yesterday from, this lighting is a no. I actually got a juice yesterday, like, what's even in this? Pineapple, carrot, orange, ginger, and turmeric. So a bit more on the fruity side, but I'm kind of craving that right now. Oh my god, that's actually really good. So yeah, I'm gonna drink this and go to the nail salon.
Life is a winding road.
You're a bad boy.
No telling where it goes.
Yeah.
Driving through days and nights.
Hey guys, it is 1:30. I'm having my first like actual meal. It's kind of like a brunch. This is what I've been having every single day. I wait till I get hungry and then I've been obsessed with like a high protein meal. Not very aesthetic, but super delicious. I just have 2 pieces of bacon, 2 sausage, 2 eggs, and an egg white. I have a piece of Dave's Killer bread with some avocado on it, a little bit of balsamic glaze, and some sauteed spinach with everything but the bagel. And then I also do put ketchup on this. Do not judge me, but it's fire, so that's that. Alrighty, you guys, I just got dressed. I'm about to head to a workout class. This is my fit. I literally feel like the last time I went to this workout class, I was wearing the exact same outfit. It looks like this. It's just this Lululemon like periwinkle set. It's super cute, so soft. It's the Align pants and then this cute little sports bra. And I'm drinking a Celsius. I'm really excited. I'm going with my friend Laura. We're doing like a hot Pilates class. It's that heated room class I've told you guys about before. And I'm really excited. Okay, we are about to be on our way to the workout class. I'm just waiting for Laura to get in the car. I just don't want to not have a good spot. I get anxiety with classes. I hate to have a not good spot in the class, and I want us to be able to work out right next to each other. And it's taking forever. We're like super close, so it's not a big deal, but we also have to find parking and blah, 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 blah. So this girl needs to hurry her little butt up. But yeah, I've been on like such a workout kick this week, which I'm not always like that. I, for the last 2 weeks, have not been in so much of a workout kick. I still like try to get in movement whenever I can, but I definitely notice it in the way that I feel and look, when I'm not as on top of my stuff, because if you guys know, like, I'm very balanced. Like, I am like, people say 80-20, I'm like 50-50, I would say. Like, I love a good drink, I love a good dessert, I love a good meal out with some friends. Like, I am not somebody, at least anymore, that is restrictive in any way, and I really pride myself on that, and I'm really happy with how far I've come in terms of like my relationship to food and exercise and everything like that. Like, I really feel like I'm in such a healthy place. And here comes this bitch, Laura.
Sorry, I started like a shit ton of work before I left.
Here's this freaking stink.
All right. Oh, hi.
We're on our way.
I'm talking to Frank.
No, my stupid camera's gonna fall in like 0.2. Whoop. Bye. Oh my god, you guys, that was, my air conditioner's blasting because I look like, how do you look? Your face looks normal.
Yeah, because I'm always red.
My face is so red. That was so sweaty, but it felt good. It went by so fast. It literally, I feel like I've never been in that class where it's gone by that fast. My camera is gonna fall. I don't have a tripod or like a car mount for this car, so, oh, it's fucking stinky. Okay, there we go. I just drive carefully. We saw Dane cook. Well, she did.
He has aged.
I didn't even get to see his face. I just saw some big man in the corner, like, shirtless. And then some other shirtless man kept trying to get in my photo. Not intentionally, but he was just there. And when she was like, that's Dane Cook, I was like, it is? And it was a completely wrong shirtless guy. So, a lot of random men in our class today. Bitch, don't fall.
I know what.
Anyways, great workout. We're gonna start going more often. Well, I only have a month left here, but oh my god, this lighting is nor.
Score. Ball.
Good eye, gotta be.
Gotta be.
Nice! Good job, Frankie! Go, go, go! Hey guys, I am just chilling in my apartment gym right now, drinking what's left of my matcha. I don't know what is up with me lately, but I've been on a terrible streak of spilling things. Yesterday, my water bottle during my nail appointment spilled and drenched my entire bag with everything in it. I had like important receipts, my wallet, like everything. Everything's fine, I dried it, but like, it's so annoying. And then this morning, my matcha was on the elliptical and it literally just spilled everywhere, like all over the ground. I was like mopping up matcha on the floor. So love that for me. I'm like drinking whatever's left. I woke up this morning like kind of in a funk. I don't know why. Like slept bad and like woke up feeling kind of like emotional and sad for no reason. So I took myself on a long walk, FaceTimed my mom, got a matcha, went and did a little workout. I didn't do anything strenuous today because I feel like I've been like going ham on the workouts lately. So I just did 40 minutes on the elliptical and I still like definitely broke a sweat. Like I'm hot. So that's that. Now I have to go and get ready. I had like a very slow start to the morning, so I haven't had my breakfast yet or anything. I haven't showered, obviously, or gotten ready yet. And I do have to film a Q&A for you guys today, so I need to like fully get ready, shower. I'm doing a new series on my channel called Sip and Spill. It's basically like where we drink some kind of beverage, whether that be coffee, tea, or whatever, or like a cocktail, and we just do a Q&A. So it's gonna be different topics. I think I'm gonna do it once a week. So that should be exciting. I'll see what you guys think about that. And yeah, I need to go and like fully get ready, and then we have a Father John Misty like concert in the cemetery. There's like the cemetery in LA, if you're familiar with Los Angeles, you would know it's Hollywood Forever. And it's like really beautiful and big. It sounds creepy, it's in the cemetery, but it's not like that. It's like super pretty. Like Toto from, what's it called? Dorothy's dog, Toto from The Wizard of Oz, is like buried there. Like it's very like beautiful. So anyways, I'll show you guys that. That'll be really fun. We're going with some friends. And yeah, that's basically all that's going on today. Just a lot of work and hanging out with some friends tonight. But it's gonna be like a nice chill evening because I do have like some craziness going on like Saturday and Sunday. So it'll be nice to just like not have anything insane going on. But yeah, got a little bit of movement in this morning and I'm gonna go get ready.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
So I'm going to be making Aperol Spritz for my Spritz and Sip. This is going to be a little bit makeshift because I don't have the right seltzer water, but it's fine. I also only have stemless wine glasses, so again, it's going to have to just do, but it's literally the same thing, it just doesn't have a stem. And I'm just going to put, I have a little bottle of Up here. I am just going to pour a little bit of this bad boy. Okay, then I'm going to take some Aperol. Oh, drop the cap. And I'm going to splash that in there. And I only have this weird LaCroix flavor. It's in beach plum. You really only need a splash of this, so it's not like the end of the world. Just a bit of that. Oops, I forgot to stop.
Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know.
Hey guys, good morning. Quick outfit of the day. I'm about to go shopping with my friend Mariana. These are my shoes. The freaking garbage man is really loud outside, so I'm sorry. I did like very light, just like under eye concealer, a little bit of blush, mascara, brow gel, and got my new bag. And we're out the dough. We're about to go shopping, get a little matcha and a little brunch. And I actually love this fit. I feel like it's cute. Guys, please ignore. Frank is drying his shirts on our bed. I'm going to my friend Stephanie's bachelorette dinner, and then I'm also going to my friend Sarah's birthday party. So I have a dress that kind of fits for both. The birthday is at like a club bar situation, and the dinner is at like a fancier dinner spot. So I feel like this is like beachy, it's cute. There's like a slit here. It's very like sexy up top, so it's like nighttime appropriate. I'm gonna do a little tennis bracelet. And then just my everyday jewelry. I don't think I'm gonna do any necklaces. For perfume, my go-to going out perfume is always Black Opium. It honestly reminds me of when I first moved to LA. I would always wear this scent. It's very nostalgic to me. A lot of great times and not so great times. This is the makeup of the evening. This is what we came up with. I honestly had a lot of time to get ready because I like did a quick workout at the gym, just like 40 minutes on the elliptical and then some arms. And I came up here, like showered, my hair was already done from yesterday basically. I just touched up a few of the curls. And I had so much time before Ella came over to do my makeup, so I was like, you know what, screw it. Let's try something out. So I did a little moment here. It's kind of pretty. It's not my usual. I haven't worn like liquid eyeliner in a minute, but kind of vibing with it. rats. Get out right now. Stinkity dinky.
You cute little sweet boy. You cute little sweet boy. Who's a cute little sweet boy? You're the best boy. You're the best boy. You're the best boy. I love you. I love you. I love you so much.
Hi, Miss Ella.
Hi, vlog. We're gonna have brunch tonight.
We're gonna have brunch today. Bottomless mimosas.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
Are you thinking margaritas or are we thinking mimosas?
Maybe both.
Oh, wow. Wait, ultimate hack would be if someone got margaritas, the other person got mimosas, and then we could trade off.
No, literally.
Are we cheating the system?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep